Welcome back. Now, one of the things that we can have with ConvertKit is that we can personalize individual lines for individual emails. For example, if we were to come to this line and we were to click this button, we can then add in a certain level of personalization. What we can do here is to personalize an email based on subscriber tags. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click subscriber tags. And we're going to see a level of code here in this area. Now we want to make sure that we have the subscriber tag exactly how it is inside of our ConvertKit system. Now we basically have filled in this personalization by saying if the individual receiving the email has this tag, then we want them to see this string of text. Otherwise, if they don't have the tag, we want them to say this string of text. And it is another level of personalization for our email. What we're now going to do is we're going to click Browser. And you'll see here that when we do the preview, you'll notice then that we have our string of text for the individual that has the tag. What we're now going to do is click Save, and we're now going to click Next Step. Now that our email is ready, we can either schedule the email for a specific time, or we can send it immediately. We can choose to save this draft. If we want to come back to this later, we'll have our broadcast draft ready to be sent. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.